Yo, what's up guys? It is Dan, and today we're gonna be doing a video. I don't know why I did that intro. Oh, did I just found something really boomerang shape? Oh, okay. Let's try this out. Oh, that didn't work, so okay. I don't know what to do in this video like yesterday, but I'm gonna find something to do. I guess this now is useless. No, it could still have a use, like throwing it. Yeah, still have a use. I think I found a bird, but it's really... It's like he's jumping, always jumping. Like jump, jump, jump. Yeah. Hi, kitty cat. Hi, Jill. Just found a bird, but it's... Just please don't try to run after it, cause it's really has... It's hurt. Just please don't run after it. Just look at that poor bird. That's the one who's jumping. Yeah. Really needs help. I think the bird is making himself a home. Just look at that. It's in the chicken coop. Just look at it. Oh no, the cat is coming. I just think he might need some help. Just a poor bird that can't fly. So, yeah, you can't touch the sky. The bird just climbed the tree. Just look at that. It's up there, right there. But, yeah, it can't fly really far. That bird needs help. Can you please stay on the ground? Like, I'll let you free this time, but don't do anything dumb. Oh, okay. Okay. The bird is up this building, but yeah, don't know. But house. Okay. The bird is up this building, but yeah, don't know. But house. Okay. No, the cat is ready for the bird. No, that's this. That the bird or... Oh no, the cat. You know, I saw you. So, what's your excuse of chasing her? Or him? I don't know. Birds doesn't have gender. Please don't chase that bird. It really has a problem, or it's hurt. The cat is in front of me, but the bird is somewhere else, so the bird should be safe. Just look at it, the cat. Just look what he will do. But where do you think he's going like that? I don't know. Oh, okay. The cat is going towards the bird. What is he doing exactly there? Okay. Okay. Sniffing tires. The bird is there. Yeah. Shit. Oh no. Some things are gonna happen under there. I think he just froze there. Oh no. The cat, the other end, is ready to chase the bird. So, oh, the bird is gone. He's over there. So, yeah, see what the cat does. I'm gonna stay by the bird. Where's the cat? You know, it's the bird. The cat is there. Okay. Oh no, the cat is chasing the bird. What are you doing? You can't chase the bird. What are you doing, kitty cat? Yeah, just don't chase the bird. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thanks for watching. And like and subscribe. And we'll see you tomorrow.